So y'all, I want to tell y'all about something that may seem like really, really crazy, like really crazy. But I gotta say it, y'all, because y'all know that, you know, all truth has to be revealed. Now, what I'm about to say, I don't know 100% sure if this is actual truth. So this is just like a theory, y'all. But this theory, when I think about it, it don't sound too like far out there. I don't know though, y'all, because this is crazy. Well, let me tell y'all this. Like a while ago, a couple years ago, maybe like 2 years ago probably, I came across this girl's video, and she was speaking about handlers. Now y'all know, most likely when you hear about handlers, you think about, people in the entertainment industry having handlers. But this girl, she was talking about how like a regular person could have a handler. Like a regular person, y'all. Like, and when I first heard it, I was like, nah, that shit sound too crazy. That sound too far out there. But now I'm thinking like, oh, it could be possible. It could be possible that, certain chosen people could possibly have some type of handler in their life that they are unaware of. Now, let me say this, y'all. When I'm saying a handler, I'm talking about like, let's just say you in a relationship with a narcissist, like y'all know about those narcissistic people, or even it could just be people that you are very attached to in your life. Like when I think about it now from a higher perspective, like it could be actually true. Like some of us probably could have people in our life that are actually been our handlers the whole time. Because y'all gotta know that, even though when these people in the industry, they say they soul or whatever, y'all gotta remember that these reptilians, the devil doesn't just stop with them. The devil wants to destroy the entire world. Like these reptilians want to destroy, gods and goddesses. So it's like, if these people have handlers, like I don't see why us chosen ones, some of us, I ain't even, like I say, I'm on the fence with this one, but it's just my theory at this point. Yeah, like I don't see why we wouldn't either. Like, think about it, y'all. Like, if we are the true goddesses and gods, and you want to call us the chosen ones, like, y'all gotta know that, like I always say, a lot of things that we see in our life is scripted. Like, is a hoax. Is a lot of false stuff that we seeing every day. Anyway, so if these reptoids if they already like be plotting on us anyway behind the scenes, and walking around like shapeshifters out here, I'm just thinking like, damn, some of the people that have already sold their soul in our regular life, and when I say they sold their soul, basically I'm saying, they belong to the Saturn moon matrix. Like, they ain't on this type of time that us chosen ones are on. Like, basically they sleep, they're the bots, the NPCs. If they belong to that system, but we still did, like, y'all, damn, they really could, some of them really could be our handlers, because they not on our side at this point. The line in the sand has been drawn. So, damn, maybe some of them could be our handlers. Like I said, narcissistic people who always come in your way with negativity. Like, y'all already know I feel like they agents anyway. So, damn, I'm just thinking about that. Like, what if some of these people really like our handlers? Like, trying to figure out information. Like, what we doing next, like how we glowing up, how we activating and things like that. So I don't know, y'all. Maybe I'm reaching on this one, but I was just thinking, like, it don't sound too far-fetched at this point. It don't sound too crazy, because you never know in this realm of illusion. We are in the realm of illusion. Y'all know this already. So like I said, when I first heard that video, when I first heard that girl on that video, I was thinking like, nah, that's too crazy. Like, there's no way, we could have handlers as well. But now I'm thinking about it, like, you never know. Like, somebody in your life could actually be your handler. Now, I ain't saying start accusing people or just looking at people funny or whatever. I'm just saying, like, maybe not. I don't know on this one, y'all. But at this point, nothing actually shocks me. Nothing actually shocks me. And like I said, if you on this side, you are awakening and you know what time it is, then you know what's up. But for the other ones that's not on this time, who are still asleep, who are still, basically, they didn't come to this lifetime to awaken to their true divinity. So it's like that was already decided by them before they actually got here. So I don't know, y'all. I was just saying that I think that is a possibility that some of us could have handlers and not even know it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Till the next time, this your girl Shara the Goddess. Make sure y'all share this video. And yeah, y'all, like I said, it's a possibility that we could have handlers and don't even know it. But anyway, it ain't nothing to be paranoid about. It's just, it is what it is at this point. Because if you are a chosen one, you already know what's up. You already know that it's about you. And the thing is, if it is true, and we got people handling us and we don't know it, we can always rise above that, because at the end of the day, we are tapping into our infinite God potential. So we will begin to recognize it. And once that happens, like, they'll eventually fall back and be, the people that they are anyway, which is, just who they are. But they could no longer be handling us in those ways that we are attached so much and we fall for their trickery and their deceit and things like that. So that's what it's about, if it is true, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. That was just a perception of mine. Like I said, this is a theory. I'm not saying it is true. It ain't true. I'm just telling y'all, what I was thinking about. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, y'all. At the end of the day, remember, it's all about you. You are that star, and you're gonna rise above, and it's time to elevate, meditate, and get your energy up. So you better recognize when these people are trying to do these things to you, and you can just glow up from it and begin to create, a loving, high vibrational environment. And we could just break these people out of the spells that they are in, if they choose to be broken out of those spells. But at the end of the day, it's up to them. Just know that Black people, we got each other's back. So we got to take care of each other. And anyway, let me get out of here, y'all. Till the next time, I'm out. Peace.